Hi everyone, this is Amy. Today, instead of doing a traditional cruise cabin tour, I thought it would be fun to show you all the little moments that happened in our Disney Destiny cabin throughout our cruise. We'll take a look around the cabin and veranda and share some of the memories we made there along the way. So here's what 4 days in cabin 9100 looked like for our family. Who's excited to see our room? Me. This is our room. Woo. Good. 1, 2, 3.
Just open it right away. And the bear plates off.
Wow.
Oh, nice. It's like we're in Disney World.
Oh, look, guys, we got some gifts.
Oh, we got the inaugural gifts.
Yay!
And this is your sofa bed. Oh, nice.
There's a balcony. Wow.
Oh my god, imagine waking up in the morning,
I
drinking
know.
a nice coffee on the veranda.
I know, it's gonna be amazing. Oh, look, it's so pretty. We just watched the movie Brave because we knew we were getting this room with Brave, so... What's her name again?
Merida.
Merida. Oh, wow, so pretty.
Oh, we have
Disney Destiny.
We have space under the bed to...
Have these shoes on anymore. My feet are hurting. Where can we put our shoes under the bed? Well, let's see what's in here. Oh. Makeup. Little bath soap. Body lotion. This is the shower. Oh, look at that. And a bathtub. That's rare on a cruise ship. Shower, very pretty. Some space. I guess this is for the bunk bed. Oh, look at Disney Destiny. More space. And more space. Again. A place to put our items. Oh, look. That's so cool. And here we have the bathroom. A little hand soap. So just privacy, which is good. Somebody can take their shower. Oh, look, has a little nighttime light. Show that she got our silver sailing.
Soon they're gonna stop giving the inaugural gifts and you're just gonna get the regular Castaway Cay, or not Castaway Cay, Castaway Club Disney gifts. So we got the inaugural sailings, even though we're in May and it started in November.
That's true.
The door without anything?
I put my card in my phone case. And
Go
all
ahead,
I
go
have to
ahead.
do is just...
Oh! I didn't see it at all. Yeah, bigger. Alright.
GoPro. Yeah.
At this time.
Okay. And close the door. This is Disney Destiny. Look, we got a little totally awesome door from somebody. That's really cool. Thank you.
Mommy, after walking from deck
3 to 9.
3 to 9.
this crab, guys, is beautiful. And let's go check the bed. Oh, so here are the bunk beds. We hadn't seen them. Oh, look at the sky. I mean the ceiling.
That's my bed. No, I already did that.
What does it say? I have often dreamed
You getting
of
squashed.
a far place.
I didn't have it last time. We took turns.
This is so pretty.
No one ever let me get the top.
We literally took turns.
Yeah. I have often dreamed of far away.
I don't think we saw it.
This is still going on YouTube. I don't know. Oh, it's a frog.
Jump down.
It's a frog. Mickey ice cream bar at midnight. Ooh. Today is, what's this island? Today is Castaway Cay. Let's go, guys. Are you ready?
Ready to rumble.
Woo! We've been wanting to go give our gifts, and there's always something to do. We have had no time. There's always a character to meet. There's always a restaurant to go to, or a buffet.
I went on this thing and the people were there.
So now we're going, and yes, I'll show you all about it. Hey, I wrote my name. Keep thanks for when we get off the cruise.
Okay, hey guys, this is what we do when we're leaving our cruise ship. Let's go.
Because we are almost there.
Tyler!
Doors closing, doors opening.
I'm almost there.
Almost
Doors closing,